guys, I would say welcome back, but this is the first video, so I welcome you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we have the 04 GT, one of my cars. We'll do an overview of all of our cars. This has been my current project car. Lots of work going to be done to it, so stay tuned for more of that if you enjoy it. Today we're going to be doing a little cold start for you guys, so let's get into that. Alright, so just really quick video there for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more Mustang oriented videos. We have lots of other cars, lots of other video ideas. Make sure you comment down below. If you want to see something specific, do something specific, just let us know.